Welcome to our tutorial on quickly understanding a financial model using Operis Analysis Kit, the award-winning Excel add-in developed by Operis. First, let's look at the Summarize tool. This tool allows you to quickly understand the overall structure of a financial model by providing a summary of key information such as the number of sheets, the existence of hidden or very hidden sheets, the number of inputs versus formulas, and a rank of complexity and formula risk for each formula in the model. After choosing the Summarize button from the OAK ribbon, a task pane is displayed offering 6 different reports. Summary, distinct formulas, referred constants, risk analysis, cross-reference, and range names. The summary reports offers a collection of statistics as well as some relevant sheet properties such as the visibility, hidden and very hidden sheets, calculation mode, and used range, by looking at the last cell location column that shows the number of rows/columns after the last cell with any contents. The remaining columns offers a quick way to identify where most inputs are, constant cells, and formulas, offering a better understanding of the model overall structure, inputs, calculations, and outputs. On this example, we can conclude that it is not a big model as the worksheet with the highest number of rows is 603, so a relatively small size. Columns are around 51 with the maximum 53. Structurally wise, it is not the best layout as most sheets have different number of columns not reflecting a stable time frame. The Distinct Formulas report presents the number of distinct formulas by sheet. OAK measures the complexity of each formula, complexity being the number of arguments, so it is not the intellectual complexity but the size. Good modeling practices suggests the use of short formulas, maximum of 12 on our complexity score, to reduce formula risk. The report also signals if the formula has references to other worksheets, named off sheet, or links to external workbooks as book link, all on the external references column. The Referred Constants report lists all the cells with constants across the workbook, but only those that are referred by a formula. The objective of this report is to show all the possible inputs of the model and their data types. The next report is called Risk Analysis. This report measures the formula risk of each formula in the model. So, what is formula risk? Across the last 30 years of auditing and modeling at Operis, our analysts identified some practices that increase the risk of an error in a formula. Late binding functions like offset, indirect, or lookup can easily return the wrong result if any changes to the existing worksheet structures occurs. OAK counts the number of times that these functions are used in the formula and multiplies it by the predefined risk weight assigned to each function, resulting in the formula risk score. Nesting is also another risk factor as well as the use of hard-coded constants. The next report is the Cross-References report. This report counts the number of formulas that have links to the other worksheets, showing the relevance of each worksheet within the entire workbook. The last report is the Range Names report. One of the least consensual modeling practices across the modeling community is the use of named ranges, or range names, instead of cell references when building formulas. Operis has been an advocate of the use of range names as it simplifies the understanding and review of a formula since it is written in natural language and therefore much quicker to understand the formula logic. This report lists all the range names across the entire workbook and their type, also shows hidden range names. We hope that you found this quick video useful, and please do not hesitate to get in touch with us either through our website or via email to oak@operis.com. Thank you for watching.